Okay, so it's the second day here, and we're emptying an attic with the AC unit that's running inside of the attic. And so right there's a nice bare spot there that probably should be covered. There's the air exchanger right here. It's a pretty tight spot. And so we've been able to, on day one, get most of it out. But she's a pretty tight attic. And this is basically some bats here. And on top of that cellulose, and on top of that was a foot of loose fill, as you can see over there and over there. So number one is we're gonna tape the hose to the ladder so it doesn't fall when we're working. So we got ourselves our 6-inch hose, and she's gonna be helping us out quite a bit. Oh, and there's some treasures we found too yesterday. So yeah. Okay, so this is the area here. Those are always tough to get because it's pretty narrow, and you see like the cellulose is all crusty too, right? There's a little layer there. I tried to take the vents out. Because they're in the way, so I put them over there, and yeah, like it's like you can see there's not a lot of space to get into these tight spots. So definitely want to have a plank with you so you can lay on it. stuff with the smaller 4-inch. But anyway, I'm gonna work my way towards. What's this stuff here? Gotta watch out for this here. These are some small heat guns that are very fragile. Right here. So,